Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a really cool thing out of an ordinary pot, something that many of you will want to try after watching. You need to make several holes in the pot as shown in the video. First, we drill holes with a size 2 bit, then enlarge them to size 6. There should be 4 holes on the top and 4 parallel holes on the bottom. Next, we take bolts size 6 and screw them in as shown in the video. We make a hole for the fitting. Next, let's take 2 hooks and a tension spring. Then we'll tie it together with a rope. You need to place a metal ball on the lower bolts and put some kind of mesh on top. I took it from an old fan. We cover all this with a lid and tighten it with a rope, as Kruženich. As many have already realized, we've made a mini smoker. Next, I suggest you watch how it works. We put some fruit tree chips at the bottom of the pot. You can also use sawdust. You can also smoke meat or fish in this smoker. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye everyone.